Before the boss comes, let's place this toy item in the post. Is there anyone waiting at the base game warm out? There were already a lot of people here. Let's our friends disassemble this toy. Wow, can't. Come on, come with me to take this animal to the boss's place. Wow, it turns out that many friends have come here. Let's check the children's games. Ah, help me. Come on, our friends, let's help the boss, who has turned his car around. I came to help the boss who was behind his car. Wow, it's bad. The boss's friends are almost pinned by the car. Hey, all of you are ready for the dinner party?
We are ready, boss. Come here.